Hi, I'm Christine Thompson, co-founder of Spoke & Wheel and master colorist. Most guests actually do have some form of buildup, not just product buildup, but metals and mineral buildup. Metals and minerals are a little easier to identify on light hair, blonde hair, because of the discoloration. For example, if you've got a copper element to the hair, an iron oxide, you actually see the dinginess or you see the discoloration, maybe some brassiness. With darker hair, brunettes especially, it's harder to identify because you can't see the discoloration. During my consultation process, I ask these key questions to determine the health of their hair, if they've had professional color, if they're using professional products. And when I don't see the things correlating with the health of their hair, when I'm noticing the roughness, how the hair has a lack of shine, maybe that discoloration, that there's a bigger thing happening here that needs to be addressed. So usually the culprit is hard water buildup. Because metals and minerals are hard to identify in the hair at times, I ask clients some kind of unusual questions around, is there a ring around their faucet? Do they see buildup on their glasses? Do they see buildup in their dishwasher? So if it's on their dishes, it's definitely on their hair. I've always been a big proponent for chelating the hair before services. This is a game changer because of the fact it is so quick and easy to use. Coming from what I used to use to the effectiveness of this product, and especially around timing, is just such a game changer.